I just arrived in Singapore for 36 hours on New Year's Eve, so let's make every minute count.
2 hours later.
Ladies and gentlemen, auntie, uncles, abang, kakak, welcome to Singapore.
So I just had a quick shower in my hotel, and I am now going out and walk over to Marina Bay. Hopefully, just sightseeing. Bringing my backpack is definitely a mistake. I'm already sweating. But the reason I'm going to Marina Bay right now is so that I can sneak out some places for later on. I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do for New Year's Eve to see the fireworks. As much as it's possible, I want to avoid public spaces because I know it's going to be crowded. I have about 16 hours to figure it out. So I am now walking towards Boat Quay. Along the way you get a lot of food spots. I will definitely come back and check it out later. So it seems like the path that I was walking through is Boat Quay. I just entered the other side of it. Yeah, so next up is going to be the Fullerton Hotel. As you can see over there, that's probably one of the popular hotels around. Later on they're going to have a light show for the New Year's Eve fireworks. So I just made it to the Merlin. It seems like I'm not the only one that I have plans to check it out today. You could say it's a bit crowded, but I think it's going to be even worse later today. So I just found this extremely great spot right next to the Esplanade. I don't know what time it's going to get crowded. I don't know what time I need to be here, but you get a pretty nice view. So I'm currently at the Singapore Flyer. So this is one of the options for New Year's Eve as well, but it is fairly expensive. I think you only get to ride it for 30 minutes, and on top of that, I don't know what kind of view that I'm gonna get. But surely everybody's not gonna get a great view. I mean, there's kind of a line over there, so I'm not entirely sure if it's worth going up there. I wasn't planning on it, but I might as well if I'm here. Trying to get to the Singapore Flyer, but you have all these rooms, and it's like a maze out here. Trying to figure out how to get there, but eventually just found it. So I just left the hotel right now, and I am walking over to Marina Bay just to see how it is. Hopefully we get a good spot. If not, I'm not too worried. So the view is already getting so much better. Let's see how far we can get, how far we can push it before the crowd just becomes too much. As you can see on the other side, I'm not sure if you can see it, it is extremely crowded on the other side. So far it's not that crowded. But then again, we're like at least 10-15 minute walk from Marina Bay.